Attention, citizens of the world. This is an urgent global transmission. Humanity is facing its darkest hour. Governments across the globe have collapsed. Power grids are failing. Food and water supplies are critically depleted, and communication systems are rapidly deteriorating. Widespread chaos and unrest have taken hold in every corner of the world. This is not a temporary crisis. This is the end of society as we know it. We urge everyone to remain indoors. Gather what resources you can and stay with your loved ones. Do not attempt to travel. There is no longer a safe place. The world, as it was, is gone. We understand the fear and despair you must be feeling. But even now, in the darkest moments of human history, there is hope. We will endure. Though you may be isolated, though you may not know where your loved ones are, we will meet again. We may not know where or when, but humanity has always survived against the odds. Even as the world crumbles around us, remember, this is not the end. This may be our final message. Know that somewhere out there, others are hearing this too. You are not alone. Hold on to hope. Stay strong. We will meet again.